There's a couple hundred companies reporting earnings this week, but which ones are the best? I've gone through the charts so you don't have to find only the companies with the best earnings tracks records. So let's take a look at some that are going this week. I think you might be surprised at some of the names. Our first one out the gate is CSX. This is one of the railroads. Only the one miss there back in 2014. It was a little choppy there for a little while. The railroads kind of went out of favor in 2015, but it's back off to the races here. A lot of that has to do with pickup in volume. So people will be watching that more than the earnings beat or miss. But this is one, if you are watching the rails, this is the one you want to watch because they're kicking it off. And then we have one of the best charts on the street, in my opinion, Honeywell. They only have that one miss in 2016, but otherwise it's just real nice chart, trading near those new 5-year highs there, and they keep doing it, so this is also one I'm going to be watching. Now Schlumberger, I've talked about them in the past. They only have the one miss last year, which is surprising given what's happening in their industry. But you can see that investors are getting a little nervous. Stock has started to sink again after rallying a bit on thoughts that there would be a recovery in energy. It's not really happening. Doesn't mean they won't beat again, but this is one to definitely keep a watch on to see what's happening on the energy side. Also kind of energy related is United Rentals. They had that one miss as well, only in 2016. And then they've gotten the rebound off of the Trump trade on infrastructure and other things because they're selling the equipment to a lot in the construction area as well as a little bit in energy actually. But they have a great track record too. More likely people will be watching what's actually happening in the various business segments here with this one. But if you're watching just the beats, this is one to watch. And then we're finishing up with one of the tech giants, Qualcomm. Also just the one miss back in 2014, but there's other things to watch with these tech guys, so it's not just about the earnings miss or beat, but I'm going to keep an eye on this because this is one of the early tech giants to be reporting this quarter, and so they could be setting the tone. These are just 5 of some of the best earnings stocks this quarter. If you want to keep track of even more, I'm going to be covering a whole bunch of companies this quarter, as well as on the option side, you can check those out with Dave Bartosiak over at Zacks Live Trader. He's on YouTube, and he's going to be covering all the action, including many of these names over there on the option side. I'm covering just the earnings miss and beats and who has the best charts on that end of the story, all during earnings season, so be sure to tune in.